Sige, bulsa.
Without you.
What's up mga katropa? Good morning sa ating lahat. So then guys, it's 5. I think it's 5. No? It's 6 o'clock. I think mag-jogging sana kami pero naging drawing. So yan guys, morning pan na lang tayo. Morning view. So then guys, good morning everything. So then guys, yan. Oh, di ako kita. Lakad-lakad muna tayo sa labas. Sasara natin to. Ay, pala, mas. Hindi, di ba? Dyan lang ako. Ay, hindi, mas. For protection. So then guys, wait. Babalik ako kayo pag nasa labas na ako. So and guys, hindi pa nauna pa ako sa nagising sa sun. Hindi pa siya, it's not rising yet. So and guys, magpapasura na lang tayo habang morning walk. So and guys, jogging sana pero yeah, na-drawing. Yan na, dami na magbabasura. Yan, gulo ng buhok ko. Nagising ako ng 4:30. 4:13. Yan, 4:13. Hinintay ko sila. Kaso wala. Yeah. Okay na. Morning walk. Lamig! Then guys, uwi na ata ako. Uwi na ako. Okay, let's go. Always safety first. Check the cars. Yeah. Tapos wear mask for the virus. If you go to Baguio, wear mask. It's dangerous there. Yeah, let's go home na. It's so cold. Shoutout pala sa aking insan, si Eli. Happy birthday sa'yo. Diyan kami pupunta sa'yo. Happy debut. Yan, let's go and have fun again. Morning, MJ. Yeah, let's go. Gigitara tayo habang wala pa sila. Tulog pa sila. So yun guys, we'll be back for now. Peace. Gitara. Silang siya.
7 hours later.
So yan guys, I'm ready to go. Yeah, so yan yung gift. Yung gift niya, tapos yan. So pupunta na ako pa sa kina Lego. Yan. Edward. Tapos ito yung pinangbilig. Yan. Flashback muna tayo sa yesterday. Ay hindi, sa Wednesday. Hindi ko lang alam, basta flashback muna tayo. Kung kailan ko binili. So yan, let's go. Flashback. Peace. Pagbalik ko, nandun na ako sa bahay nila. Peace.
Flashback.
Basta ito. Nakapili na ako ng gift. Hindi ko ito pakita sa kanya. Yan. Yan. So yan, maghanap pa kami ng isa. Shade lang. Nakapili na kami ng isa. So yan, guys. Ito man. Shoulder ba natin? Pag-inadi. Stretchable mat ko dito yun. Hindi ba rin sa amin? Mamaya ba dito? Ako mo naman ito. Stretchable dito yun. Ano yung sus? Ano yung stretchable mo? So yun guys, sana all. Sana kasal. Pang turog lang ito dito. Naghahanap pa kami. Ito lang tama to. Ito. Uy. So yun guys, nakapili na kami ng pan. So yun guys, let's go. Pies. Basta nakapili na kami. Flashback.
End of flashback.
So what's up mga katrompa? Nandito na kami sa celebration ni Eli. So yan guys. So yan yung design. Tapos yan yung mga mga cakes. So yan guys. Hinihintay pa namin yung say hello. Hindi kayo kita. Pinagduldulin day. So yan guys, hinihintay pa namin mag-start. Maaga kami. Pero to sana mag-start, diba? Siyempre, vloggers tayo. Yan guys. So yan guys, hintayin pa natin. Peace.
Lako pa nung nililigawan pa lamang kita dadalaw.
So yan guys, kanta-kanta lang muna habang hinihintay yung magbo-birthday. Yeah, kakanta-kanta muna tayo dito, mga tol. Yeah. Sabihan sa alas 7 sa dating tagpuan ang araw ko. So yan guys, let's go! So yan guys, mag-start na kami. So yan, ang dami ng bisita dyan, Lord. Yan. So yan guys, let's go. We're gonna start and the program. Let's go, peace! Hey guys, this is the intermission with Eli. Yes, the audience. So yan guys, naka-safety naman kami. Vlogger sama tao. Ha? Vlogger. We're being checked by temperature. Like that. You're safe. Yeah, boy. Nice one. Yan guys, yan. And guys, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance.
Those who will join the 18
So
year
guys, let's go. Dancer.
I don't have the list of.
Let's go. Here we go, the first dance. Who's the first dance?
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Oh, you look so beautiful in white. Na, 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 na. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go, and I won't go down the aisle. She looks so beautiful in white. You look so beautiful in white. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll share.
So yun guys, tapos na yung 18 shot, tapos yung 18 candles, tapos message.
Lula.
So yan guys, hindi ko na na-video kasi yung haba-haba na. Yan. Busy. I think we're game laro pa rin. Pero hindi na ata. Magme-message na si Eli. So yan guys, let's go. Let's hear
So
her
let's
message. Let's go.
listen.
To everyone who is here, I'm so thankful that you came. I'm also happy for the friendship that we had, and sabay ko mata Hindi. Thank you Tanapan kay Tata. Thank you thank you to my parents, to my titas, my cousins, my uncles, to everyone who helped us prepare for today. I'm so thankful and grateful that for what you have done. Thank you and I love you all. Thank you.
I-move tayo sa dry chairs kayo nga pa side and yan. Tapos ikarga tayo sa table dito yung center.
So yan guys, tapos na yung message niya. So yan, kakain na ata. No more games. So let's go. So yan guys. Shucks, di natin ma-video. Nag-blow na siya ng candle. Ayan. yan guys, dito na kami.
DJ, play the sound.
This is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye-bye.